Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. I'm so excited to share this recipe that I am going to experiment with and see how it comes out. Now, I've made barbacoa in here and we seal this pan. As you guys can see, it's a really nice pan that I put in the oven. I'm going to try to attempt to cook a lengua. So we're going to make tacos de lengua. I'm not going to use like all these seasonings on it like when we make barbacoa, but I'm going to throw it in this pan, seal it, cook it at 275 degrees, which I just set it up. And I'm going to put an onion in here, some bay leaves, some chicken powder and all this stuff. So I'm going to pull everything out that I'm going to show you that's going to go into my pan. And we're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 hours in the oven. I'm thinking it's going to come out really tender and juicy. Hubby doesn't know if this is a great idea, so this is my idea. And I'm really excited about it because everybody loves my barbacoa and this is meat. So I figured, you know, it's meat. It should be soft and it should give it like a different flavor. I don't know. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to go on this journey with trying this out. If it doesn't, then I messed up my lengua tacos. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you everything I have. Okay, so here we have our chopped up onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5. You could go ahead and throw some more in here if you'd like. Here's our bay leaves. Excuse the ratchet nails. I am going to be working on my new design. Hopefully I'll be done at the end of this video and you guys can see how beautiful my new set's going to be. So now we're going to add the spices. This is what we have: pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and our chicken powder. So let's start with our pepper. I really hate it when I don't have my nails done. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so we've got our black pepper. You don't have to put a lot of this, okay? So it's not a lot. You can put half a teaspoon if you'd like, or half a teaspoon. We've got about a teaspoon of onion powder, I'm sorry. We're gonna do about half a teaspoon of garlic powder as well. Actually, I would say half a tablespoon. Yeah. And then we have some salt, pink salt. I'm gonna put whatever salt I want to put. And then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of chicken powder. So you can do 1, but I choose to do about 2 of them because I'm going to want it to have a lot of flavor. But you can substitute, you could just do 1 of chicken powder and then just put more salt if you'd like. But I want this to be very like salty so that when we open up the meat, it's going to be delicious. So let's fill this up with water. Okay, so you just want to cover up the tongue. You're going to want to seal it with the top. And it's going to go into the oven at 275 degrees. We'll check in 3 hours. So there it is. 3 hours, we'll check in. So let's do timer. We're going to do 3 hours. Always use your timer, you guys. It's just very important to do. It just really helps out. Don't forget that, and that way you don't overdo it and you check in when you're supposed to. Okay, let's get this right. Okay, so right there we have it for 3 hours. So let's get to it. Can't wait to check in on this. I really hope this method works, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so we cooked it for about, I'm going to say 4.5 to 5 hours. So the first 3 hours was 275 degrees, I believe, from what I show in the beginning. I'm going to have to look at the video again, you guys, sorry. And then when we checked it in 3 hours, we went ahead and raised up the temperature to 300 degrees and cooked it another 2 hours, I would say. This is very tender and it should be so yummy. So I'll put the tacos together and show you guys. And that is what our tacos look like. Delicioso. With that said, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys on our next video.
Wake up in the morning, I look good, feel good, and I'm glowing. Got the energy right, I'm floating. Cloud 9, baby, I feel gorgeous, I'm important. Can't lie.